All right, so let's do, because I've been doing this one a lot, I'm gonna move on to the other ones is chamfer foil from our what was still collections of iHo chamfer foil, but this is Kia under LED light for 60 seconds. So I'm gonna apply this one on, and we're gonna cure for 60 seconds. Make sure you cure this one under really proper lamp. And all right, here you go. If it doesn't transfer, they will blame on our lamps, but hopefully it will completely. It's never been do anything bad to me. So, but I'm gonna do a different like angle of this part. So same piece of this, you can create so many different fun things. And here is the frame benders. I just want to show you because I did earlier. I'm using that round frames, which is from a collections. I think is the silver and gold metallic charms #2s, which is have a lot of bigger Supremes frame for you. So here you go. I have this one. Basically, if your frame is really flat, you just lay it right into your bender right here, okay? And you have that little tools band and you can place it. All you need to do is just give it press. And it's gonna give you like really curve bending. 60 seconds. And this one, and I am going to place this. Look, hold on. I don't wanna. Right there. I think I got exactly what I want. I'm gonna using my rubbers here. When you get this rubber, do not lose that rubber tips right here because it's protect your and also is not gonna poke you. And I'm gonna turn it on the other end of my tweezer door end. Give it a good rub. So if this is the iHo chamfer foil in a white bottle and you're gonna keep it for 60 seconds. Look at that, it just poof, it's come right off. I didn't even have to work a lot with this. So I really like this look of the holo. And this part, where do I get it? Oh, I got it from here. Just came right off right there, so you can see the totally empty. Okay, so now I am going to using our stickers. Painted by purples. The top coat doesn't work. You can try and let us know how is that turn out. But is top coat, it just, well, I don't know if you're using a no wipe top coat or is regular gel top coat. It probably might have a tacky layer of it. I'm not sure. It might be transfer, but I don't know. If you know white top coat, it absolutely is not able to transfer it. Where's all of my stickers of my butterflies here? Oh. Sorry everyone, I have all my butterflies here. Oh, hey, I found it. I have it all ready for you, and it was hidden in one of my packets and stuff. It's cool. Oh, that's one. Give me that one. This one is stunning. Also, this one looks stunning too. Let me see. Look at that. I'm really obsessed. Okay. Now I'm gonna having fun with this. Let's see. It has like how many colors in there? 16 colors. Let me see. She's so cute. She's little. We'll see how we're gonna play with her. Okay. Just like come right off.
Oh, actually that fits real well.
Oh, she's so cute. Look at that. I'm gonna make it like a flowers, but it's butterflies. It stay nice and butterflowers. Okay. So I'm using different colors and then a different shape. There's several of them. I'm really enjoying this. Butterflower. That's cute though.
Yep, also once again, so that transfer that Nancy been using is in collection number 15. So you're gonna get all that nice line with holographic. Super, super cool. Number 15, everyone.
It looks like flowers. It's cool. Okay, I did 3 colors already. So I would do this hollow, but it's blending with mine. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna pick the pink one. And it has some dot and stars in here. It's so freaking cute. Let's see. Then different shape of the butterfly too. If you haven't seen this one, I have a lot of clients love this, and you can do this as like it's like basically stickers, but also is you can encapsulating this one with hard gels, poly gels, and then gel polish as well, and using condensed glue gels. I will show you. I'm gonna using with my condensed glue gels and encapsulating this. Did I use this one? Maybe I should using the green one, huh? There's so many different ones, so cute. All right, so let's go a different shape. It's so easy to get it here, and is one sheet of it. It has so many. Right. It's okay. She tried to strike on me. All right, I'm gonna get the bigger one. Get her a little on her wings and just get her out. There you go. She's just trying to give me a hard time when I'm doing live with everyone, and of course when I'm not doing live, she's come right off. It's always happened like that, but I'm not gonna give up on you. Let's see what I miss. I would love to do some, what is it, purple? Yellow. This one is like a different yellow, I guess.
You move too fast, people can't pick color.
Huh? No, this one is come in the set. You don't have to pick color. I mean, you mean that I move so fast that why everybody can't pick the color? I'm so sorry. I mean, I thought that you were asking that you can't see the colors. But if you like this one, is come in, I think, your set of...
You're the whole set butterfly.
A whole set of butterfly. I have a lot of clients love this, and then we...
Live rice coated flower that fly.
Flower fly?
No, flower that fly, but yeah, close enough.
Hold on, her wings a little bit floating right here.
There you go.
Sorry, her wing is a little bit right there. I got her. Okay.
That's cute.
Okay, I want one of this. Okay, let's see, do this blue. I didn't have purple yet. Did I? Let her get a smaller one. She's okay. Now get bigger one then. Oh, you said I moved so fast so you couldn't see the colors? I'm sorry, I have a hard time myself because they're so pretty and so many. And like I don't know which one to pick. I said, okay, which one? Which one?
We also have prime butterfly. That's fun.
All right. And it's very nice and flat, and as you can see on the side. Can you see? It looks like blur in the back. Okay, now I'm focusing.
Well, because you had like so much bling on that.
In the background.
That and on the nail itself is a little heavy.
On my nails?
A little harder time to try to focus on it.
Okay, so let's see if some star. Because I try to hold nails and hold this wall, yeah.
But you know what? This is look really cool though.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I would wear these nails.
Little cherry on top.
And then I would do maybe little heart right there. Oh, it had a heart too. Okay, can you organize this for me? I'm sorry, because it's a little bit messy right now, and it might look too cluttery underneath. Sorry.
Oh, you done?
No, not yet. Maybe I'll get oops, sorry. Green. Can I get the green?
Yeah.
Sorry, everyone. I have a hard time. It's so cute though. It's so fun to play with. Okay, I'm laying it on the background now. All right, so I'm just going a little bit too much, I guess. But it just gives you an idea that you don't want it. You don't have to have all of them. I just want to give you all look how it turned out.
And from the look of it, probably a lot of cherry on top. Not one.
All right, hold on. There's a little circle. Hey, stick on my tweezer right there.
All right. Ready, top coated and cure.
Okay, so no, if you want this, leave it alone. You just need to condense glue gels and top coat, and you're gonna cure. But I am gonna put some crystals on it, just right here, just that, just a little bit, not much. Condensed glue gel, condensed glue gels, and then that's how you are encapsulating completely this, so that it's not gonna come off. It's like really nice and blend, but because we're going to do crystals, if you don't want to do crystals, then just condensed glue gels and top coat, and you cure, good to go. All right, so I am going to do top coat. No white top coat on the top. Seems like it has a lot of blings going on here. So I'm just so obsessed with this. It's so cute though. Just like summery. Close this. And just little like if you have a different colors, you can do a different colors. Doesn't have to do it like the same as what I have. I think any colors will look cute though. This is fun content today. I decided to doing like it's really cool because like for instance, if you have all of this or if you have chamfer foil, we can do different angles of and in different designs of the chamfer foil. So that's you can really enjoy and have fun with this. Just a little bit. All right, I think.
Yeah. Like a burst of butterfly flying out.
Yeah, do you think?
This looks really cool.
Okay, good. I'm gonna cue this one.
Right, show camera.